Greg from Sugarland has a question about a new roof.
Yeah, Tom, his house is 40 years old. And Greg writes, I need to replace the roof, but I also want to add a radiant barrier. Our attic insulation is very old, and I'm probably going to need to add insulation in sections where it's gotten thin. He says, I'm on a budget, and I need to know which do you suggest to do first, second, third importance, the radiant barrier, the roof, the shingles,
Oh, absolutely. Roof. If it's leaking, you got a problem. Jay, you need a new roof, and it's the biggest expense too. So let's get the roof on, because a roof protects everything that you have underneath it. People ask me, what are the most important things about a home? I say foundation, framing, and roofing. But the roof, it just protects everything you own. So let's get the roof on. Radiant barrier, when you get your money, do that next. And if you need to beef up your insulation a little bit, then you can do that third. But those are the three ways I would do it.
Well, I'll be dipped. I thought for sure you were going to say roof, insulation, radiant barrier.
Nope. Roof, radiant barrier, insulation.
Yeah, I hear you.
Right. Because the radiant barrier, they have to get up and walk all on the insulation, spray it on, do whatever you're doing.
So it's...
And then just do that nice little pretty blanket and then stay out of it.
The same rule applies to the insulation that goes to flooring. Flooring goes last.
Absolutely. Yeah, okay. Because people are up there walking around.
You got it.
Like it.
All right. Well, you don't have to walk around. You can just let your fingers do the walking on your keyboard. Send us your question. Visit HomeShowRadio.com. You'll see the Ask Tom button in the top corner. We'll post your answer just like these videos. Subscribe to our channel, click the bell, and we'll ring yours when we post a new one.